Taiye Bada and I'm back for another video. So this is a fitness tutorial with Pro PT. You can't see because it's behind the camera, but you guys will see him shortly, so you know. Stay tuned, guys. Disclaimer, guys, I am not a professional at this, so if I do anything wrong, I apologize. Like I said, I apologize. But obviously I'm doing a workout with Pro PT, which is a qualified personal trainer. And yeah, so this is the workout I do when I'm with them. I work out quite often with them, actually. So obviously I'm going to do it with my twin or whatever. And yeah, I'm not going to be listing the actual names of the workouts because I'm not going to lie to you, I don't know half of the names. So let me not act like I'm some professional at this. But a lot of you guys have been requesting for this, so yeah, so continue watching and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Also, before you continue doing the workout, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notifications just so you're notified every time I upload a video, and make sure you give it a thumbs up as well because it's much appreciated. And leave a comment section below if you want to see more videos like this with my twin, and yes, I'll be there to provide it for you guys. So continue working out. Guys, I know I've been told I talk too fast, but I mean, if you can't catch up, I mean, you better slow down the video. So yeah, so apologies if I speak too fast. Just try to play it in slow motion or try to, rewind the video or whatever, because your girl can't slow her mouth. She just moves it real quick. So yeah, sorry guys. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm one of those girls that don't know the lyrics to any song, so I'll just be doing my own ad-libs. But yes, guys, I know a lot of you guys want to see me singing or whatever, so I'm gonna be singing soon. That's shortly coming after, you know what I mean? So you're gonna see some more videos, you know what I mean? Some more creative videos, some more creative outlet videos, so stay tuned. But obviously, whilst I'm doing this workout, I just want to entertain y'all because I know this workout is not as easy as it looks. So I hope you guys actually, take some deep breaths and drink some water, take some, detox or whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and happy workout. Like this song always says, never say never, so keep doing what you gotta do. If you guys need to take a break, if you guys need to take a sip of water, do what you gotta do. Never say never, never stop. I don't want to hear never ever in your vocabulary. Yeah, you hear me? But anyways, guys, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, because it's much appreciated, because obviously this is the hard work. So do what you gotta do, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and obviously if you guys want to see more videos with my twin, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and yes, you'll see some more. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I mean, guys, if this is not challenging enough, I mean, you guys feel free to pause the video and do a couple more reps, just so you can feel like you have a full-on workout. You can do like an hour workout, 30 minutes, up to you. So yes, guys, pause the video. You can do as much reps as you want. I just did it purely for the video. I condensed it into one, and yeah, so do what you want to do. If it's not challenging enough, I mean, feel free. But I mean, if you're one of the girls that are, or girls or guys or whoever you are that actually don't really do too much workouts, then you can just do the ones that I just did right now, or you can add more to your, you know, your collection or whatever. So guys, I didn't do an outro, so I'm going to do a quick outro here. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want to see more videos, please make sure to subscribe and, you know, turn on your notifications, because, you know, me and my twin will be definitely doing some more, you know. So see you guys in the next video.